Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm
I
fine.
am fine, thanks. And you?
Thank you. And you?
Okay. You absent today? Complete? The student?
Complete, sir.
Okay, thank you.
There is no someone.
Okay, last week we had learned, what is it? Do you remember? Kemarin kita belajar apa ya kemarin?
Something around us, sir.
Okay, good. Mas Anjar, thank you. There is around us. Describing of something around us. There is your, for example, in your class, there are table, chair, whiteboard, picture, our Mbak Lia. Please give me mention something in around us.
Bendanya ya, Pak?
Yes, Mbak.
Tempat tidur, Pak. Bed.
Okay. Your room, Mbak Lia.
Yes. Saya di bedroom.
Oke.
Table, Pak. Table.
Oke, makasih Mbak Nuri. Table.
Chair.
Laptop, Pak. Laptop, Pak.
Chair.
Oke, Anjar.
HP, Pak.
Mobile.
Yes,
Mobile.
good. Yes, good job. It.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sport. Ada police
Supermarket.
station, supermarket, mall.
Cool.
Mas Anjar. Oke. Okay, student. Today we discuss about asking and giving information about public building. Jadi kita akan belajar meminta dan memberi informasi tentang publik. Contohnya tadi station, for example station, museum, bus station, and so on. Okay, before we start the lesson, I will give you the. Ini kelihatan?
Sudah, Pak.
Okay. Sekian informasi about public building, ya. Tadi bangunan publik. Okay, do you the picture?
Sir.
What is the picture?
Stadium.
Stadion, Pak. Stadium.
There is dialogue in this paper.
Halo guys.
Ada volunteer, silakan membaca. Mbak Rizky sama
Saya, Pak.
Oh iya, silakan siapa?
Biar gak ngantuk saya, Pak.
Oke. Mbak
Ya.
Yanti sama Bu Rizky.
Oke. Mbak Yanti dulu.
Iya. Betul. Excuse me, do you know where the stadium is?
Oh, it's about 10 minutes far by car.
I see. It must be tiring to go there on foot. We have no. Apa ini Pak bacanya, Pak? Vehicle.
Vehicle.
Vehicle. We have no vehicle. Could you tell me what kind of public transportation we can take to go there?
Sure. You can take a bus. Or if you want more convenient. Ya, Pak. Bacanya gitu, Pak.
Yes,
Or if
convenient.
you want more convenient one, you can take a taxi.
It's really helpful. Thank you.
No problem.
Oke, thank you Mbak Rizky sama Bu Yanti. In this text dialogue, dalam dialog ini ada dua kalimat. Satu pertanyaan, satu
Jawaban.
jawaban. Oke. Pertanyaannya nanti itu adalah suatu asking information, dan jawabannya adalah giving information. Oke, do you focus the word sentence dari yang di garis bawah sama meeting? Do you know where the stadium is? Oke, reply me. Tirukan saya.
Do you know where
Do
the
you know
stadium
where
is?
the
Stadium
stadium is?
Yes. It's about 10 minutes far by car.
It is
It's
about
about 10 minutes
It's
far by
by
car.
car.
Okay, next. Could you tell me what kind of public transportation we can to the Kodo there?
Could you
Could
tell
you tell
me
me
what
what kind of
transportation
public transportation we can take to go there?
Sure, you can take the bus.
Sure,
You
you
can
can
take
take
the
a
bus.
bus.
Oke. Tadi malam kan materi ini sudah saya kasih. Anda sudah membuka, mempelajari, mungkin sudah dengan LK-nya. Jadi hari ini kita hanya penekanannya saja. Oke, next. What is the picture?
classroom?
Class.
Yeah.
Classroom.
Classroom. Good. Classroom. Maybe classroom, maybe teacher room. I think same.
Kelas itu Pak.
Oh.
Kelas.
Teacher room.
Oh, teacher.
Are you with me? From the text, find the asking information about public building. Dari teks ini mana kalimat ekspresinya yang menunjukkan meminta informasi tentang public building, bangunan publik. Yang mana Mas?
Saya Pak,
Tell me where the
Oh,
teacher is.
could you?
Yes, could you tell me where the teacher room is? Sudah pintar. Oke, responnya gimana?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course, it is on the sixth. Okay, and as yang lain, Mbak Nuril.
By any chance.
Ya Pak, ya Pak. Ya
Next.
On the corner.
Oh yes.
Pak,
Nuril,
apa
Iya,
itu Pak
Pak.
artinya Pak? Do you buy?
do you by any chance know where? Ada yang bisa yang lain membantu?
tempat lain ya Pak.
Oke, kalau kamu tahu di mana itu? Oke.
It's on the corner.
Oke. I think yours, mas student. Sudah dari dua contoh tadi ada pertanyaan, any question? Dari dua text picture tadi ada pertanyaan, silakan, any question so far? About asking and giving information about public building. No question? Hello, no.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Okay, if you no question, I will give you. Kita latihan. Kita latihan. Kita latihan memperdalam materi. Do you look it? Ini kelihatan?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is it? Was it the picture?
Public
Public place. Public
Place.
building.
Yes, public place.
building. Public
For
building.
example, cinema, fire station. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please choose the topic picture and make a short dialogue based on the example above.
Just
Jadi gambar ini pilih salah satu topik gambarnya dan buat short dialog pendek saja. Berdasarkan tadi teks yang diberikan.
Public places.
Jadi, yes, oke. Public places.
kayak contoh dialog tadi tak Pak?
Iya, Ma, ya. Ya, Mbak. Ya. Boleh dari contoh tadi atau dari
Sendiri Pak.
bikin sendiri. Nggih.
Sendiri-sendiri Pak.
Bikin sendiri-sendiri.
Minimal berapa kalimat, Pak?
2 kalimat atau 3 kalimat.
Pilih satu aja tak Pak?
Ya, pilih satu aja. Terserah. Silakan 5 menit ya. Tadi mana kan sudah mengerjakan semua. Sudah ada yang latihan kan?
Ya, Pak.
Ya, Pak.
Aku
Yang mau dialog sama saya siapa?
Bu, nggak apa-apa. Bu.
Nuril lah. Aku sama Mas Anjar ta. Mas Anjar.
Ya, Mbak Lia. Siap.
Ada yang sudah?
Tak kirim WA lo Mas Anjar wisan.
Ya. Sudah sampai nih.
Mbak Muji.
Terima
Saya ya
kasih.
Pak, sama Mas Anjar Pak.
Oke. Silakan Mas Anjar sama
Anjar.
Mbak Lia.
Mas Anjar sih.
Iya. Hey Mbak Lia, how are you? Hey,
Fine Anjar. What about you?
fine too. Where do you go now?
I am going to New Bank in city.
Can you tell me about the bank? What cans are there?
There are tellers, securities, computers.
Okay, thank you, Lia.
You are
Oke,
welcome.
thank you. Give applause to Mbak Lia
Tepuk
sama Mas
tangan.
Anjar.
Aku gak ditepuk tangan yo.
Okay, I will give you some question to Mas Anjar and Mbak Lia. Based on your short dialogue, tunjukkan mana kalimat yang menunjukkan asking and giving information. Mas Anjar dulu.
Where do you go now?
Oke, good.
Now.
Now.
And giving-nya mana Mbak Mas Anjar? Giving informasinya?
Giving-nya I am
New
going to
bank.
New Bank in city.
Yes. Good. Untuk Mbak Lia, next.
Asking-nya, can you tell me about the bank?
Yes. Okay.
Giving-nya, there are tellers, securities, computers, etc.
Okay, thank you. Okay, student. Next, after you make short session and now sekarang buat nanti di PR-nya ya di rumah buat video, boleh monolog, boleh role play dengan temannya dari tadi short dialog tadi yang sudah dibuat.
PR apa? PR
saja ya, karena targetnya satu. Potensi targetnya satu adalah nanti menulis sama speaking. Jadi nanti yang target yang tugas di rumah itu adalah nanti sebagai nilai speakingnya. Nanti bisa video monolog maupun
Video ya Pak ya.
Okay. Any question so far? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before I closing this lesson, tadi hari ini kita belajar apa tadi?
Public.
Buat percakapan, Pak.
Public place.
Oke, public place.
Tanya jawab tentang tempat umum, Pak.
Oke, thank you Mbak Rizky. Tentang meminta dan memberikan informasi tentang
Public place.
Place. Place.
Okay, I think enough this session. Thank you for. Jangan lupa tugasnya nanti segera dikirim hari ini. Thank you. I think
Ya,
enough.
Pak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause to Pak Tejo. Ya, oke, great job Pak Tejo. Well, Bu Juli, where is Bu Juli? Ya, monggo Bu Juli, saya beri kesempatan duluan.
Ya, terima kasih Bu. Selamat siang Pak Tejo.
Oke, selamat siang.
Sebelum saya memberi masukan Pak Tejo, saya cerita dulu ini. Sekolah saya itu kalau di Kota Malang itu kalau di ranking itu yang paling bawah.